Alright, so we're loading up the bikes, doing some final checks and waiting for one more rider, and then we're heading off down south towards Bow Desert and the border between Queensland and New South Wales. Alright, it's warm, let's move! Got in front of me 4 bikes, 4 mates. Directly in front we've got the XJ6, in front of that W800, and the VTR 1000, and then the old Yamaha Diversion. All loaded up with gear. We're about, I think we're about 40 k's south of Brisbane at the moment. Heading toward Bow Desert, and then heading a bit further south from there, where we're going to set up camp and then explore the areas around. Oh sweet, this is it. That's okay. Petrol. I've still got fuel. I haven't hit reserve yet. I think worst case is take 2 bikes and cycle with fuel. Yeah, that'd be sweet. Pretty sweet. Let's go check this. How's it going? Alright, we found the best spot. We're so lucky, some people were just leaving. So, just went around asking some few people, and these guys said they were moving out of here in half an hour. It's close to the amenities. Nice. I hold it still on something, you never know what I use. Trick. Yeah. And the sooner we can get our feet in, the sooner we'll start adjusting. Ah. Oh, look at it go! Coffee contraption win. Morning guys and girls, we are ready to hit the road. Gonna do some Mount Lindesay and head down towards Gyogle. Fortunately, one of my mates over there did his back. Well, he did it ages ago. And camping and traveling with a backpack was not good. So he's going home, or he's got some meds and a more supportive bed. Mate on W800 got called back for work, so that's lame, but he gets to ride with us today. He's just not hanging tonight. And then it'll just be just 3 of us. Sorry? Yeah. Bye. Little kid is classic. Well, a bit of a bushfire up there.
So after winding through some more country roads and heading to the base of, or the Queensland side of Mount Lindesay Highway. This is a pretty exciting little stretch of road. Only ever done it once before, so I was really keen to get out there and do it again. Now, if you're ever on a motorbike and have to travel between Queensland and New South Wales, I think this is the road to do it. It can be a fast-paced road, but it's also a little bit technical too. Heaps of tar snakes and some dodgy road surfaces, but awesome visibility around the corners, and it just twists and turns backwards and forth. It's bloody good fun. Down the other side, we just cruised through Kyogle after getting some fuel, and we headed into Nimbin. Now that's an interesting town here in Australia. They're into their herbs down here. We'll just leave it at that.
Hi.
Of course, we had to pop in for some lunch, check it out, and stretch our legs before hitting the road again. There was many more country roads and beautiful wide open vistas, and yeah, it was awesome out there. Went through Tweed Heads because we were heading for the highway, so we could beeline back up to the campsite before it got too late. Of course, we couldn't resist a little patch of dirt that we found. We're going to get these guys into dirt biking one of these days. Back to the campsite where we chilled out and mentally prepared ourselves for pack-up day. The best bit of kit I bought for this camping trip by far was this milk crate, 1,000,001 uses. Before we hit the road, I jinxed myself by saying, hey, we haven't had any disasters or anything go wrong this trip.
Do you see that come off? That was my phone. Going for a walk up the road. So I was just moving my arms around on the bike and had my headphone cable on. Got caught up and pulled my phone out of its mouth. And now it's on the road somewhere. That's part of it. Had to take the jacket off. There's always got to be one little adventurous thing. I wonder if the rest of it bounced in here. Huh? So we had one bit of case where my helmet and jacket is, and then this bit was just down here. Yeah. And the rest of it with my memory card and stuff, which is the only bit that I really wouldn't mind salvaging, but it looks like we might have to give up hope on that. Wow. But that's in one piece.
And most importantly, you still got your SIM card.
Yeah. It's still on.
What?
It's still on!
Oh, so it must have been out of service.
Oh my god! That's amazing! I can see there's not a crack in the screen.
100 k's an hour, I still think I'd be.
Blew off the case. Still got my SIM card, and oh, it's because the SIM card had come a bit loose. That's why I couldn't call. Cannot bloody believe that.
Anyway, it was awesome to get out there, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.